Well, hey guys, it's April 6th, about middle of the day. I just woke up myself. Um, Here's the cats. Here's what you're here for. These little munchkins. I know, I'm awkward on camera, but these little munchkins are camera pros. Ah, look at this little one strutting. What's up, Huntress? I decided to name the two gray ones Alpha and Omega because that fits them. The two solid grays. This is Huntress. Because she's like the alpha of the pack. He protects them all. And there's Tigress over there, the runt of the pack. But she's the most feistiest one. She will fight anything. Like the first day I took her out here, like something bit her, and she had this big pus ball on her leg, and I had to pop it, and oh my god, I never seen so much pus in my life. I should have recorded it. There was so much pus. Let's go show them the cat tree. You guys, is an obstacle course. Me and my grandma set up a little course for them to run in between. We're gonna get covered for the pool. Cause like the first day we had them out here, one of them got scared and ran directly into the pool, and I dived into the pool. I think it was Tigress, the one that fell into the pool. She got scared by like the door or something, and she ran straight into the pool. It was funny. Not at the time. At the time, I was so scared. I like freaked out and jumped in the pool. I always want to drink out of the pool, even though they always have cold water, ice water right there. I always try to drink out of the pool. This is my grandma's house. She has a beautiful home. She does all this yard work herself. My grandparents raised me. Well, they adopted me. I'm going over here. Oh, they knocked out the biscuit. This is where they have their little spot. I'm gonna try to keep it all cleaned up. Hi guys, where's your dad at? Their dad is usually, oh yeah, their dad's over here. Look, this is their dad. You could so tell that is all the cat's dad. You could so tell that he's a dad. He looks just like Mama Cat. He looks just like Mama Cat. But anyways, I think I'm gonna go inside, see what Mama Cat's doing, and probably go to the store. See if I can steal some cat food for them. Alright, thank you and have a nice day. Don't steal kids. I was just kidding about that.